Friends, good morning. Today's topic is how to control anger and be a cool chick. Buddha has rightly said that it is better to conquer yourself than to win thousand battles. Then the victory is yours. It cannot be taken from you, nor angels or demons, hells or heaven. Anger is a emotions that creates a hesitation in your brain. You threatened, you feel violated. If you take an example in your company, if your coworker were promoted, then you feel very angry because that feeling comes to in your mind because of self-esteem, threaten to your self-esteem, job security also. Anger can create a heart disease and also health related problems. To control this anger, if you are aware about the anger or the situation, if you are aware how you became aware, if you are mindful in that time, then and then you become aware. Second is, you have to know your body's arousal level, then and then you can control the anger. There is a different method like yoga. Fourth one is, if you feel that you are going to be angry on someone, then take a deep breath and just relax and you feel good. So my dear friends, to overcome this anger, just do the meditation. Meditation is a good medicine to control the anger. Thank you for watching me.